What's up, you guys? It's Matt Nathanson from islandtimeliving.com, helping people break free from the jobs they're not passionate about or from the life situation that's unfulfilling by educating themselves and learning how to use the internet as a tool to support themselves and their families. And I'm not one for politics. It actually kind of makes me ill, so I ignore it for the most part. And Ron Paul is someone who I kind of thought was a joke because that's how the media portrays him, and there's a reason for that. But this 12-time U.S. congressman, Ron Paul, has some pretty scary warnings about the economic situation that's coming. He's predicting total collapse of the stock, bond, real estate markets, and our currency. And when the United States dollar collapses, all of the other major currencies around the planet will simultaneously collapse. And if nothing has value, what has value? You know, if everyone is questioning the value of stocks, bonds, real estate, and currencies, what has value? And in my opinion, it's our skills and our ability to generate an income and earn money. And also, I don't know if you guys know that I am a certified financial planner. I worked in the financial services industry for a while before injuring myself and becoming disabled and getting out of the financial services industry. So I understand money and the way that it works. And I'm well credentialed on paper, even though I've been out of the business for a long time. But if you want to know what's really going on behind the curtain and behind the scenes, I'll put a link down below that will take you to an interview with Ron Paul, where he talks about the problems that the global economy has and what he thinks is coming, and it's not good. But the time to prepare for it is now, not after it happens. So if you educate yourself, you'll understand the value of setting up a plan B, so you have something to fall back on if by chance you lose your job or your income. So anyways, you can click the link below to see the interview with Ron Paul, and I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye.